welcome, man. Hey, y'all see this? Welcome back to the channel. What's today? January the 11th. Look at that nice car there, guys. That is, okay, that's the company we use to, I guess, install lifts. We're getting some more lift added in the shop. Look at that. Look how they dressed that truck up. But this ain't what this video is about. This video is about this. That's right, guys. We got a new load. First thing off the bat, I'm seeing, what's that in the front? That's a Challenger, ain't it? Yes. So, all the vicious rumors you hear about the 392, the big Hemi V8 Challengers and Chargers going away. Yes, guys, I'm sorry to say that's true. Just not right now, okay? So in the meantime, everything we got in stock, or everything they have already built, they want to sell, naturally, right? Look at that. So I see 1, 2, 3. I see 3 Challengers and 3 Chargers. That's a Durango. No, that's a Grand Cherokee down. Look at that, how they pulling that off. Interesting. So this guy had a full load. I wonder if we getting all of these. Boy, you got to be extremely careful when driving those off. Like, I guess you're going to have to let that part up to get these out. But look at this. He is responsible. Why did he stop right here? I don't know. Because how you going to get anything else off? I don't know. What's up, man? Why you stop right here? Oh, okay. I thought you were. I was going to say, how you going to get the rest of them off? Now, what I'm interested to know is what's under these hoods. I don't want to pop the hood in front of dude because these vehicles have to be inspected. He technically is responsible for them until, y'all remember the last one I did? The keyhole was missing. Watch this video right here. That key cylinder was missing. See, he got the windows down, so I can't even see the tag on it or the y'all know I'm an MPG guy, big MPG guy. I want to see what's the mile per gallon. See that badge right there? That says Hemi, guys. Hemi is a V8, right? So the V8 is going away. I guess not now, it ain't. So I want to see. Now I don't think it's doesn't change drastically as far as the MPG. These are brand new vehicles, plastic still on them. But he got this window down. I'm sure that sticker is on this driver's glass right here. Man, look at that Scat Pack right there, guys. Isn't that a beauty? That gray one. And you know, see those yellow things right there, those guards? People tend to leave those on for some reason. I don't know what that's all about. Man, that's gonna be a straight shot, straight dry shot out. Where you taking them, man? Oh, didn't you inspect them, right? They all got key cylinders in them. That one that had no damn key cylinder in it. Oh, we did put one in?
Yeah, we sold that car.
Oh, damn, that car gone already? Who did it, Ricky or Body Shop? See, I told Ricky to come get me when he get there. So they left it out at the factory? They left the key cylinder out at the factory? Golly. Well, guys, that don't sound like a Hemi. That is a straight 6-cylinder there. That is so not a Hemi. Now that one is. Watch how much different this one sound than this one. What you looking for when you look them over? What you looking for when you walk around? Just the obvious damage and stuff. He waiting on y'all, man. Get out the man way. He about to watch when he fire this up. How much difference? But see, he got to walk around it first and look it over, guys. This sun is messing up my. There you go. Watch the pipes. There you go. Yeah. Sounds so much different than that Jeep, right? That Jeep was a Gen 3. That car is not gonna be on the lot long. Watch what I tell you. Just the sound and the color. And this is the same one, right? Is that a Challenger? Yeah, that's a Challenger. Man, he got to be extremely careful. You talk about responsibility. Nothing to it but to do it. That Scat Pack is so pretty, and it's a 392. Whew. Look, we can see what size transmission under here. I guarantee it's yes, ain't no more nags, guys. We ain't putting no more 5-speed nags in these. So that is a V8. I mean, that is a 8 HP ZF transmission. All right, pretty much all of them. That's the standard now. We're not going backwards. Nobody goes backwards, right? Yeah, there's another one. Now I see something interesting on this Grand. Y'all see this? Is this a Grand Cherokee? Look, guys, a spare tire. Y'all believe that? I thought they was done with spare tires. Guess not. Interesting, because I'm not getting a car without a spare tire. Or if I do, I'm going to get a spare tire added. That's for damn sure. Yeah. I'm sure there's a lot of insurance riding on this vehicle. Look at that thing set by there. Set back here like that. Wow. Interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. So the driver just got to sit there and do all that driving and hope. Look how wide this vehicle is. Hope nothing happens. Okay. Well, guys, I'm not going to sit here and let's go take a look at, I saw some new updated used cars over here. Or some things that done since been traded in. Let's go down here real quick. I don't know if these trade-ins or not. Dude, that thing on the flat. I'm not sure this is the trade-in side. We're gonna go over this real quick. I think where they put all the trade-ins are over here. Uh-oh. I see some non-Chrysler. Look at that. Chevy. All right, now, guys, y'all know I'm in a bubble, so I don't know what this stuff is, so don't criticize me. I know some of you guys can look at the grill and tell what it is. H. Does that stand for Honda or Hyundai? That's a Ford. GMC. Look, all these people trade this stuff in and got a Jeep, Chrysler, Ram, or a Dodge. Now, I'm not sure why this Ram over here. Maybe he got him a newer Ram. Right? Just like this Jeep. You don't trade a Jeep in for another Jeep unless you just getting a newer one. Okay, GMC. All right, what we got here? Oh, tell me somebody traded in. Ooh, that's a Mercedes emblem. Okay, Ford, Jeep, and some more stuff. All right, guys. Y'all interested in any of this stuff? Knock yourself out. Ooh, that look dangerous. Look like that car about to fall, wouldn't it? My video is shaking too much. I know you guys hate these shaking videos. Look at that. Let me be still. If something happened, I'm going to have it on tape. Whew. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. All right, guys. I can't bear to watch. All right. That's all I have, man. Let me go back in the shop. I'll catch you guys next time, man. I have some more cars to check out. Just wanted y'all to see the new load. 2 scats coming out right now, guys. 2 Scat Packs. Beautiful Scat Packs. 392s. Both Chargers, too. 4-door Charger. 4-door sedan. All right, guys. I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.